Well, baby, we're in the car. As you can see, there's a microphone attached to your chest. So I want to test out these mics, and we're going to go and look for some phoulourie. What do you think?
I'm very excited.
Savannah phoulourie?
Yes.
Okay, well, let's go.
Yay!
Hi, baby. Let's go and find phoulourie. I hope they have.
Yeah, that's here to find it.
And lead the way. Right,
Hi.
so luckily we have found some phoulourie for Steph. So we're gonna see now if they're gonna give her a nice little bag there to eat. So my partner, what's your name?
My name is Thick Sauce.
Thick Sauce?
Yes, we are.
How you get her name?
Well, due to the pies that I do Thick Sauce foot-long pies.
Okay.
And I'm actually a nursery trained.
Okay, very good,
So
very
from
good.
the nursing industry, they call me Thick Sauce.
Very nice. And you're doing some phoulourie here for us today.
Yes, it is.
So you tell me about how long does it take on average to make the phoulourie?
Phoulourie takes approximately 4 to 5 minutes, depends on how you do your batter. Some people do it thick, some people do it a little bit watery.
Is the name of this stand Thick Sauce as well in the Savannah?
Yes, it is. It's Thick Sauce foot-long pies.
Okay,
It
very
is
good.
a registered business.
Very nice, very good, and very professional.
Thank you.
And you are Thick Sauce pie lady then. You run in, I like that. Yes, my boss, how are you going?
How you good, sir?
What's your name?
Shazam Lambert.
And you're gonna show me what else you all have going on here, right?
Well, we have a lot going on here. We have chicken, we have geera pork, we have gizzard, we have aloo and cheese mix, we have beef.
Can I get a look, if you don't mind?
No problem.
Oops, sorry. Very nice. And this is which one?
Geera pork.
Geera pork, very nice. Beautiful.
This one will be the gizzard.
Delicious.
We need Savannah about 5 to 6 years,
Okay,
approximately. Yeah?
so thriving and
Well, yeah, driving. By the grace of God.
I like that. Well done, well done. Nice, all right, babe. Go ahead and tell us what you think.
Yep, hit the spot.
Hit the spot? You
Yeah.
have satisfied all your cravings? So you don't nag me again periodically
Until next Sunday.
until next Sunday. Very good. Right, Miss Thick Sauce. So thank you very, very much. And can you just tell the people out there the days and the hours you're out there?
You're most welcome. We are out here from Thursdays to Sunday. We are here from 4:30 until around 9:30.
All right, well,
Get
thank you.
everything hot on the spot. You all feel free and come down to the Queen's Park Savannah. Thick Sauce foot-long pie.
No problem. And they're here for 6 years, so people for sure already coming down to Savannah.
Oh yes, they are.
But we want the new people come too.
Of course.
Thank you very much
You're
again.
most welcome. You all enjoy.
Blessings.
Okay, bye.
Baby, happy with that?
Yes, very happy.
Very
Thank
satisfied? It tastes as good as you wanted it to? Don't get knocked down by the car.
you. I know. But yeah, it hit the spot.
Very good, very good.
Thank you.
If I wasn't trying to lose weight, I might eat some as well.
None for you.
Yes, none for me at all.
No.